The Big Dipper 40,000 series comes with digital controls and no longer uses the analog timer found on previous series. The digital interface has preset runtimes that will help extend the life of your Big Dipper. The 3 default settings are 1. Light operation. The unit will skim for 15 minutes every 76 hours. 2. Moderate operation. The unit will skim for 30 minutes every 19 hours. And 3. Heavy operation. The unit will skim for 60 minutes every 19 hours. After selecting a skim cycle, pressing the Start button will immediately begin the next skim cycle and reset the counter for the next skim cycle. To select the ideal skim setting, begin by setting your Big Dipper to setting 2. After the unit has skimmed, check the grease collector. If there is some water but the contents are mostly grease, then the correct setting has been chosen. If the contents are mostly water, then select the next lowest skim setting and repeat the test. If there is only grease in the collector, then select the next highest skim setting and repeat the test. Occasionally, skim setting 3 will not be enough and you will need to access Extreme Mode. The Extreme Mode settings are 1. Light operation. The unit will skim for 90 minutes every 19 hours. 2. Moderate operation. The unit will skim for 120 minutes every 19 hours. And 3. Heavy operation. The unit will skim for 120 minutes every 9.5 hours. To access Extreme Mode, remove power from the Big Dipper by unplugging the unit. Hold down the Heavy Operation button 3 and repower the unit. The Heavy Operation button will blink briefly, indicating that Extreme Mode is now active. Confirm the correct setting the same way as above.